Let's go to learn science with me. Good morning, dear students. As you know, chapter 4 of ours is going on separation of substances. Today, we are taking the topic separation of components of mixtures. Before starting our next topic, a do you know is given at page number 52 of our book. This is related to the concept of adulteration, means milavat khori, you can say. What is this whole concept? Sometimes greedy shopkeepers, to earn the more profit, they add some unwanted material in the eatables. For example, they add papaya seeds in black pepper and white stones in rice. So it is every time advisable to take the eatables from a reliable shop. Have you observed your mom separating these unwanted material from the eatable before cooking them from, for example, from rice and dal? Now, dear student, we reached up to the second half of our chapter and we are going to take second half of our chapter, that is separating the components of mixtures. The separation of components of a mixture can be done with simple physical methods. But first of all, there is need to categorize the mixture into various categories. For example, first one is mixture of solids with solids. Means this is a type of mixture in which all the components are solids. Second is mixtures of solids with liquids. It means one of the component is solid there, another is liquid, for example salt solution. And third one is mixtures of liquids with liquids, means both the components or all the components of a mixture are liquid. So dear student, we are going to cover page number 53, 54 and 55 today. See, what is this? This is a mixture. This is a first type of mixture of solid with solid. So we will take this category, and what we observe there, to separate the components of mixtures of solid with solid, there are 6 methods in all: hand picking, threshing, winnowing, sieving, magnetic separation and sublimation. These 6 methods are given in our book. Which one is first one? Hand picking. Second one, threshing. Third one, winnowing. Fourth one, sieving. Fifth one, magnetic separation. And the 6th one is sublimation. I will explain you all these methods one by one, but first of all we are just taking what is hand picking. Yesterday I purchased rice and kidney beans from the market and put them in a bag. But when these are carried to home, these two are mixed because of tearing of polythene bags, and there is a need to separate all these. So with the help of hand, I can separate out these kidney beans from the rice. Such a type of method is known as hand picking. We pick the unwanted material or the component which is required to separate from the mixer and put it aside with the help of a hand. So such a method is known as hand picking. Now you can see here. Hand picking is the normal sight in our houses where mothers used to do. The components of a solid mixture can sometimes be separated by picking them with hands. This method is used when components of the mixers are of different color, shape, size, and the quantity of the mixture is small. And examples of such are pebbles from rice or dal, or separating grass from mint leaves. So dear student, in keywords the definition of hand picking is given. Point number 5, mixtures can be divided into 3 categories, that is solid with solid, solid with liquids, and liquids with liquids. These are 3 types of mixture. We categorized for our convenience there so that we can know about the method of separation of components of these mixer. And 6th point also valuable there in you must know, that is methods of separating solid mixtures, and that are hand picking, winnowing, magnetic separation, threshing, sieving, and sublimation. Now, after doing the keyword and you must know, let's see what is there in fill in the blanks for us. And here, housewives sometimes use the method of dash to remove unwanted substance from eatables like rice and pebbles. Do you know what is the answer of that? Hand picking is the method which is used to separate out these components. Now, after doing the fill up, we got a match the following related to our today's topic, and question asked there, separating peas from cooked pulao. Answer is hand picking. Definitely you also did sometimes. Now part D, name any 3 methods used for separating a solid mixer, and answer is too easy and every time it comes in exam. Methods of separating components of solid mixtures are: number 1 hand picking, number 2 threshing, number 3 winnowing, number 4 sieving, number 5 magnetic separation, and number 6 sublimation. Keep learning all the content related to today's topic, dear students. Have a good day.